it wasn't until we actually got here that I was faced with my biggest mindset challenge of survival. Like
Hmm.
Ooh.
literally survival. And the first 2 years um, was really difficult. And that's why I wrote the book, was because there was nothing out there, any kind of information on how to move your company. That kind of move, that, I was a $10 million company and was moving a 67,000 square foot facility 900 miles away, and lost pretty much my entire workforce, and thought that my current workforce would have. Now there are people in there, don't get me wrong, that without them we absolutely would have failed, but I thought that I had a better relationship, a better bond with my folks, that they would have come and helped train in Mississippi, et cetera, et cetera. And they absolutely refused. And, I wasn't prepared for that.
Wow.
Mm.
I didn't really, I mean, that my workforce was extraordinarily stable. I had very good relations, and I couldn't get anybody to come down for a week. Now, with that being said, I had 6 people that did not move, or maybe a little bit more, that did not move with me, but that did come and did stay, in a hotel or in the group home or whatever. Um, some stayed as long as 6 months,
Wow.
and and God bless them.